From Stowmarket to Shotley, Felixstowe to Framlingham. Here's the weather across the region.
Now, if you're sitting here with Richard and me today, just look over my shoulder. Just look at that. That is the weather for today. That is the most glorious sunrise you've ever seen for a long time. With vapour scales across the sky, the sun coming up, the sea looking brilliant. Early mist and cloud has now gone.
We are here in Felixstowe today to do the live draw of our Caterham and of our Austin 12.6. We're having a beautiful morning here at Beach Street. We've got coffee, Craig's on the radio. It's a fantastic time. Here's a little look behind the scenes.
If you fancy seeing some posh cars or chance of winning a car, go to our Facebook page. You'll see on there Bridge Classic Cars. They come in to see us, and I think you can. It's a sort of a raffle thing. We're not involved in
you buy a ticket.
You buy a ticket, and you're in a chance of winning. We're not involved in it. We're just going to have a bit of fun and talk to them about what they do, and because they do some great stuff with cars.
Well, the car that they're actually raffling off and drawing today is two cars, but one of them especially is a Caterham.
Yeah.
And it's a brand new build, and you get to go
and
actually choose and do the extras, do the add-ons and whatnot, down to the Caterham factory with Craig and his team.
Oh, we're here for a special reason today.
We are,
because
yes.
I'm normally quite solitary in the morning, and I have a few guests coming in. It's a bit of a party time, and you've made the tea, and we've come to Felixstowe in the bright sunshine.
Lovely morning.
You've drawn the blinds down. The sun is it's beautiful around the county.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It was all because of this bloke's fault. Craig Ranson, hello, good morning.
Good morning, all right.
Bridge Classic Cars, my God, and that is a business and a half you've got there, isn't it?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we keep trying different things all the time. It's going all right.
Yeah.
And I'm a presenter at Bridge Classic Cars.
Yeah. You've got a fabulous job, haven't you? You go to work today, each day, with a bounce in your step. You're just cars, social media. This is you.
Yeah, I'm very, very lucky. I am indeed.
So, have you always been into cars then? Before you went there, I mean, how did you get the job? I mean, I can see why you'd want to stay there because it's a fabulous company. But what made you go there in the first place?
So basically, I love everything that's vintage, everything that's old-fashioned. Ever since I was little, my granddad.
Stop looking at me like that.
So I've literally just stepped out from the Suffolk Sound booth, which is very exciting, and now we're going to go round the corner into the actual, what's it called, mini golf. We're going to go round into the mini golf to do the live draw. It's all going on today. Very exciting indeed. And what a beautiful day for it at the sunshine. We are here live at Beach Street because we are doing the live draw of our Caterham and our Austin at 12.6. And the reason we're here as well is because we have just been on Suffolk Sound's radio to talk to Rob about our competitions and also about our evening that we're having on Saturday with Lily Myers as well.
Everyone's running away.
So this is, I saw that, everyone's like, go. So this is Beach Street. It's a lovely place to be in if you've not been to Beach Street before. There's loads of different stalls, lots of different food areas for you to pick. There's kind of food from all around the world, really. So we are now moving into street golf. So this is the crazy golf here at Beach Street, and this is the setting of our live draws today.
So this is relatively new, I think.
Yes, it is.
I think it's been either refurbished recently or it is.
I think the last time I came to Crazy Golf when it was at Charlie Manning's Crazy Golf, I don't think we could have a live draw of two different cars as these. A brand new modern one and a pre-war classic.
Very old as well. One of the oldest we've done, isn't it? 1931. Have we done anything older?
No, I don't think so. No. We've done like a 1938, I think, or 37 with our...
We haven't really spoken about the Austin enough,
no,
I don't think.
We
haven't done...
It's so special. It's something that's a real piece of history, and it's so old, but in such amazing condition as well.
Yeah.
So the person that does win it are going to have an absolute treat. They really, really are.
So a nice comment from Ben as well. So, morning all. This is his first competition he's ever entered.
Wow, wait, Ben, which one was it? Was it for the Austin or for the Caterham?
We'll wait to hear. I'm going to say the Caterham, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Yes, so Ben, message back just to say whether it's the Caterham or the Austin that you're in for. But welcome. This is the first live you've seen then, technically.
The first live then. that you've entered into. So good luck. Oh my gosh, can you imagine first time entering, first time watching live and then winning?
Imagine.
Oh, that would be very cool indeed. So this is our setup for today. So we've not got our big screen as normal, but we do have our screen here with Google Random Number Generator. For people who it's your first time watching along today, we use Google Random Number Generator to find the winning number. And then we go to our entry lists, which are live on the British Classic Cars website right now. If you go to the competition section, scroll down to entry lists, you can find the entry list of the car that we are drawing, and you can see your name against your number. So you can do that at home right now if you want to, but we are going to be having in just a second finding the number of the winner, which is very, very exciting.
So Andy B, who was commenting on the SLK, he's also first-time purchaser. So this is the first time he's watched as well, and he's in for the
There we
Caterham.
go.
Benjamin's in for the Austin 12.6. He's
So-
23 and it's his dream car.
Wow, that's amazing.
That'll be a brilliant car.
Oh my gosh, yes.
That would be amazing.
So this is the live draw of our 1931 Austin 12.6. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Number 1,551. 1,551. Let's go to our entry list. 1,500. Oh, I've seen it straight away. 1,551. Keith Rapley. Keith Rapley, if you're watching along, congratulations, you have just won yourself a 1931 Austin 12.6. It's very exciting.
Hello.
Hello, is that Keith Ripley? Or Rapley, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Keith. It's Molly calling from Bridge Classic Cars.
Oh, hello there.
Hello there.
Oh,
So, Keith, this morning we have just done the live draw of our 1931 Austin 12.6. And Keith, I'm very excited to tell you that you are the lucky winner.
Oh my God, that's fantastic. Oh, God, I don't know what to say.
Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
You are so, so welcome, Keith.
Oh,
Can I ask, Keith, whereabouts in the world are you? Well, in the UK are you? Don't give us your exact address, but whereabouts are you?
oh yeah. I live in Clapham near Bedford.
In Clapham, did you say? Bedford.
Clapham
Bedford.
near Bedford.
Bedford.
Yeah. It's a little
Amazing.
village outside of Bedford.
Oh, amazing. So what happens now, Keith, is we will organise getting the car delivered straight to your door. How about that?
Fantastic. Well,
Have you thought about, Keith, have you thought about when you bought a ticket, where would you take the car on its first drive?
no, I haven't. thought
You
of that.
haven't?
I've
Well,
always hankered after a pre-war car.
Yeah.
I'm 64, and even as a 20-year-old, I'd always wanted to maybe restore an Austin 7 or something.
oh,
But
amazing.
never did, of course. So yeah. Wow.
So now is your chance. There you go. Well, congratulations, Keith, and I'm very, very happy for you. And we'll call you very soon to organise getting the car delivered to you, okay?
That's lovely. Thank you very much.
You are so welcome. Thank you so much. Bye.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
There
That
we
has
go.
gone to the right person.
I know.
Definitely,
how
hasn't it?
Lovely.
Considering that was
is
his
so
dream
nice.
car, wanting one of them or one similar.
But there wasn't a cash alternative, was there?
No, there was no cash
No
alternative.
cash alternative.
There wasn't a cash alternative on that.
No, okay.
But to be fair, if there was, I think
I
you'd probably
think he
still
would
take
take
the car. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So yes, like the Austin 12.6, I believe there is 4,000 tickets on this car. Yes, and there was about 900
900 and nearer 1,000.
that weren't sold on this car. Now, gosh, this is a big moment, everyone. We'll get to go to the factory possibly as soon as next week.
All of this next week.
Next week
Yeah.
to talk to them and see the person who's going to
So
build
you've
their
been to
car
the
from
factory
scratch.
yourself, haven't you? So
Yeah.
you kind of know the process that it's going to be and who they're going to meet, where they're going to be standing, stuff like that.
It's very, very cool indeed. It's a brand new factory as well. It's only been there for 18 months, so everything is spick and span
Yeah.
and amazing. There you go. How exciting, everyone. Okay, so this is the live draw of our brand new Caterham 7310 Encore. Okay, I'm going to count down from 3, everybody. 3, 2, 1. 3,650. And we have a winner, 3,650. I'm just going to go back to this. Yeah, 3,650. We have a winner. It is Oliver Knight. Oliver Knights.
There we
Whoa! That is so speedy there, Rob. Push it. Yeah, I pushed it right to the top.
Hello.
Hello, is that Oliver Knights?
Speaking.
Hello, Oliver. It's Molly calling from Bridge Classic Cars.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm very well, thank you. And I hope that I'm going to make your day a little bit better, Oliver, because we have just done the live draw of our brand new Caterham 7 310 Encore, and you are the lucky winner.
No way, are you kidding?
No, I promise you, it's really real. We have just done the live draw. We're live on our YouTube channel right now.
Oh my God, that's amazing. I said to my wife yesterday, I'm going to wear Caterham tomorrow. She said, yeah, whatever.
Well, there you go. You
Oh,
manifested
I
it.
love it. Oh, that's an absolute dream. Oh my God.
Congratulations,
Thank you so
Oliver.
much.
You are so welcome. So there is a bit more to do with this competition than with our normal competitions. So we're hoping, if you can, we can organise next week for you to go to the Caterham factory and spec your car.
That's amazing. Oh my God. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. Yeah, well, sit down, have a cup of tea, let it all sink
I'm
in.
in shock. I can't believe this is actually happening. This is... Oh my, yeah, thank you.
You are so
This is so
welcome.
exciting.
It is so exciting, and we cannot wait to be on this journey with you
Yeah, what a dream.
of creating your dream Caterham. There we
Thank you so
go.
much.
You are so welcome.
This is real, right?
It is real, I promise. We're live on our YouTube channel right now if you want to tune in, and you can watch back because it will be set live as soon as we come off air. But there you go, Oliver.
Wow.
Congratulations. You're a very lucky man.
I am. Wow, thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll be in
I
contact
will.
very soon, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
soon.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
So thank you to everyone for watching along who
Thank
this
you
is their
so
first one. There's
much.
loads of really
Yes.
nice comments. So also Dale has said congratulations to Oliver. Andy B, this was his first time watching. He said congratulations.
Oh, thank
Roy,
you,
Ben,
Andy.
Bradley. There's loads of congratulations coming through.
There we go. You are
thank
always such a wonderful community watching our lives and commenting along. So thank you so much for joining along the ride with us. If you've not yet, please do like, subscribe and turn on those notifications for our competitions YouTube channel. And don't forget to have a little visit at the Bridge Classic Cars YouTube channel as well, where we have so much automotive content. But congratulations
What a win.
to our two winners today of our Austin 12.6 and of our Caterham 7. I think Oliver is going to be on a high for the
Yes.
rest of the day.
Yeah.
And Bessie's eagerly awaiting our call now. But there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for Suffolk Sound for having us here. Thank you to the amazing Street Golf for letting us do the live draw from their mezzanine floor. But thank you so much for watching. From me, Molly, Craig, Nick, John and Rob, we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, everyone. So we have just finished the live draw of our Austin 12.6 and our Caterham 7 310 Encore. We have just found two very happy winners. One gentleman, Keith, who has been dreaming of owning a pre-war car since he was 20 and now he's 64, so he's very excited about that. And Oliver, who just won his dream car, and next week we'll get to go to the Caterham factory and spec it. What a fantastic morning. Thank you so much for Suffolk Sounds for having us on. Thank you so much for Street Golf for having us here in their wonderful establishment, and we've had a great day, so see you soon.